Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving from Old Harbour to May Pen and we're going on the old road. This was the original road before the bypasses were built and the highway was built. As you can see, that truck just stopped, literally blocking half the road, and I guess they're going to conduct some business to come back, and sometimes you just have to see it for yourself. Alright, we are now entering the parish of Clarendon. We were in St. Catherine and when we were leaving out of Old Harbour, and then now we are in Clarendon, and May Pen is the capital of Clarendon, and it's also the main town and the largest town. So before we had highways and before we had the bypasses, this was a road we would take if you're driving from, say, Kingston to Mandeville. You would go through Spanish Town, literally through the town of Spanish Town. You still have to go through the town of Old Harbour, and then you would drive through the town of May Pen. And here is another truck that just stops in the road. Now, June is Road Safety Month, and one of the things they gave some tips as to help road safety tips, and one of the road safety tips was obey the road code. Now, the road code says you are not to stop in the road and hamper traffic like that, but it happens every day. This is like the rural part of Clarendon now. But this still is a main road, but this was the main thoroughfare once when traveling through the island. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour as we were driving from Old Harbour to May Pen, or from St. Catherine to Clarendon. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.